what's inside. I'm curious. Open. What shall we make today? Oh, I'm so looking for a treat. Me too. Nice chair.
It's interesting.
Wow, it's big.
Good job. There's a door.
Cool.
Yoo-hoo! It's fantastic.
I'm so funny.
Yay! Great! Good! What's next? Bravo! Oh, yes! It's great! It's ambulance.
Oh, yeah.
What's next? Yellow? Let's open it together. Huh? What's in it? Open. What is it? They're car parts. What shall we make today?
Big.
I'm so looking for a treat. Me too. Good job.
Wow, it's big.
What's next? It's a fun assembly time.
Yahoo!
That sounds fun. It's fantastic. Nice. I like it. Awesome. Hola. What is it?
Wow, it's very good.
It's almost finished. Is it the last step?
Yes.
Great! I'm so funny.
Cool.
Good job. It's a train. Hooray!
Oh!
I wonder what's inside. I'm curious. Open. What kind of a car will you make? Awesome!
Let's do it.
Good job! Nice chair. The steering wheel is moving well.
Cool.
amazing!
Yahoo!
Good job! Nice!
What's next?
Cool! Yes!
Look at the door.
I'm so funny!
Awesome! That's cool!
Yay! I'm so funny! Oh yeah!
Stop!
Okay! Oh!
It's fun to make a car. Good! It's a school bus. Open it up.
Oh! Okay!
They're car parts. Awesome! Good job!
Cool!
Now we can sit down. Great! It looks good. Look at the door.
Bravo!
Yoo-hoo! Good. It's a fun assembly time.
Yes!
Hooray! It's almost finished. It's a nice piece of stuff. Really nice! Transformation. Police car.
It's so funny.